Hey y'all, Robert from Boat Boys Fishing. This video is about this bait boat. Purchased this not long ago off Geek. The first video or the first clip in this, besides this, is and it still has stickers and these are clear. It's just the way it came. All I did to this is add some string because I scooted these back. This is top heavy when it springs up. But it's a $50 bait boat. All I've did is change the battery pack and fill those up. And I'm okay with it. There's a lot of things you can do with it, man. But the pros, it's a bait boat. It gets it out there. The cons, some of the cons, stability. It's not very stable unless you do this. It's slow as dirt. You don't want no super fast bait boat, but man, even this is terrible on the speed. But for what it is, it's not bad. I mean, you can always do what I did and I put a 7.4 battery pack out of a little bitty RC truck there. This is the battery pack that came with it. Let's see, is it going to focus? Yeah, 3.7. Not very much juice. This is a little bit more, 7.4. I took the LED lights out and the railing off. Don't need all that, and the stickers. But I took the LED light off to help the battery power. But the speed's a little bit better now. You could get cheaper props. These are dual. There's only 2 blades on the prop. You can get 4 blades, or you can get 3 blades and you get a little more speed. But I'm not too unhappy with it. I mean, I'm okay with it for the price, but you know, I just say that it's dirt slow and that the motors the way they are with the battery pack that's in it, honestly the charge would probably last you 3 or 4 days because it's so slow. But the way I've got it now, I mean, I've been driving the heck out of it and it's still fully charged. That's the battery meter back there. I'm hoping with maybe I'll get a little more range out of it, but it handled the rough water pretty good today. It really did. But got more stuff coming. Please like and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook. Subscribe to that YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Now, it ain't gonna win no speed records, but it will take your line out there. It'll get your line out there pretty far. Oops. Sorry, y'all. It's hard to steer and hold the camera, talk, smoke a cigarette, chew bubble gum, wipe my ass at the same time. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, you'll see. I use it to take my line. This is chum. I usually put my weight in there. I'm just gonna take it to the edge of that wind. You see it? And then now watch. It dumps your line, everything. Your chum, your line, all of it. And you bring it on back. $51. $51. I'm hoping, I don't think I got the line with my damn boat, but we'll see. But yeah, that's how you do it, man. This thing is a lot faster. Watch, here we go. It's a lot better. I bet you it don't take me no 3 or 4 minutes to get out there now. Let's see this with this. Yeah. Put a different voltage battery pack in, it makes a world of difference, man. Foam filled the little deals, the pontoons, as you want to call them. And it's a lot faster now. Hey y'all, checking the bait boat out with 15-mile-an-hour winds. Stability and speed, checking those out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it does good. Oh yeah. We're just checking out stability. Alright, now we're going to go head on into the wind. Oh, that wind's terrible. Rough seas, man. All I did was change the battery pack. It makes a big difference to put a little bit of foam in the pontoons. Get it hit sideways and see it. 15-mile-an-hour winds, man. It's still handling it. Pretty good, man. Not bad. I'm impressed with the better speed. I don't plan to bring it out on really windy days. Like I said, it's a cheap one, man, but it gets the job done.